This is my 4-month-old little Dachshund puppy, 2-week. We're gonna be doing our 2-week board and train. So we're gonna be working on all the basic stuff like sit, down, place, heel, all that good stuff. So let's see what she knows. Billie, come. Billie. Billie. Oh, hi, baby. So she also hasn't had much of a leash or collar on yet too much. So we're also gonna be learning that it's not tug of war. I know. Billie, come. Come on. Come on, come on. Good girl. Good girl, Billie. Billie, sit. Billie, sit. Sit. No? Okay. Well, we'll check in with you guys after the 2-week board and train.